In the previous lecture, we see the definition of the differential equation, order of the differential equation and the degree of the differential equation. Now, in this lecture, we see the formation of the differential equation. That means form the differential equation by the given equation. Okay, differential equation means an equation which contains the derivative of the function is called the differential equation. Okay, that means here the given equation, it is any relation. We want to find the differential equation from this equation. That means here we differentiate this equation, then we get the derivatives of the function, and in the equation there are the derivatives, then that is the differential equation. But here the question is, obtain the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Okay, here arbitrary constants and arbitrary constant. Here in this equation it is a 4 and a, these are the two constants. 4 is a constant and a, it is an arbitrary constant. That means a is a constant but it have variable values. Okay, a, it is a constant but it have variable value, therefore it is an arbitrary constant. Okay, 4 it is a constant, it have fixed value, that is a 4. Okay, but a is an arbitrary constant. Here we eliminate the arbitrary constant to form the differential equation. Here, in case if in the equation, in the given relation, there is a one arbitrary constant, then we differentiate one times. If in the equation there is a two arbitrary constant, then we differentiate twice. If in the equation there is a three arbitrary constant, then we differentiate three times. Like that, if in the equation there is a n arbitrary constant, then we differentiate n times. Okay, that means the number of arbitrary constant. Okay, if there are two arbitrary constant, then we differentiate two times. Okay, here it is a one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate only one times. ओके, म्हणजे डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करण्यासाठी जितके आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट तितकेदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढा. एक आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असला एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, दोन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असले दोनदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, तीन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असले तर तीनदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. आणि काय करायचं आहे तर आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे. आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे, इलिमिनेट. मग आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट इलिमिनेट करणं म्हणजे काय, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढा कॉन्स्टंटचा. आणि कॉन्स्टंट सेपरेट असला आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला ते झिरो होऊन जाते, ऑटोमॅटिकली इलिमिनेट होणार. बट जर एकच आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असला तर डिफरन्शिएट करा आणि त्या आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंटची व्हॅल्यू काढा आणि ती व्हॅल्यू ओरिजिनल इक्वेशनमध्ये ठेवून द्या. दोन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असले ते दोन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट रिमूव्ह करायचे. ओके, इलिमिनेट. जर सरळ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला आणि झिरो झाले तर चांगले, नाही झाले तर मग त्याची व्हॅल्यू पुट करणं लागणार. ओके, नाव हियर द क्वेश्चन इज ऑब्टेन द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन बाय इलिमिनेटिंग आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट. हियर the relation it is x cube plus y cube is equal to 4ax. Here 4a, that is a is an arbitrary constant, it is the one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate this equation one times. Okay, now the given equation, here x cube plus y cube is equal to 4ax. It is a given equation, it is equation number 1. Okay, now we differentiate one times. If only one arbitrary constant, then we differentiate one times. And if in the one differentiation the arbitrary constant if remove, okay, then not necessary to put the value of this. But after differentiation the arbitrary constant is remaining, then put the value of that arbitrary constant in this equation. Okay, एकच आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट असला, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढल्यानंतर झिरो झालं तर चांगलं, नाही झाला तर त्या आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंटची व्हॅल्यू काढा आणि ती व्हॅल्यू ओरिजिनल इक्वेशनमध्ये पुट करा. ओके, नाव हियर वन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट डिफरन्शिएट वन टाइम्स. डिफरन्शिएट with respect to x, then derivative of x cube, it is 3x square plus derivative of y cube, it is a 3y square dy by dx. See carefully this, and is equal to derivative of 4ax. 4a it is a constant and derivative of x it is 1. Now here we differentiate one times, but here the arbitrary constant is not removed, arbitrary constant is not eliminated, so put the value of this 4a in equation number 1. Now put in equation number 1, therefore it is x cube plus y cube is equal to 4a, it is a 4a, 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx into x. Okay, here x cube plus y cube is equal to 4a into x. 4a, it is a 4a, 4a into x. Now we calculate this. X cube plus y cube is equal to 3x cube plus 3xy square dy by dx. Now here x cube and y cube take this side. So see carefully this. We can write 3xy square dy by dx. This term. Okay. Now it is x cube. Here it is a minus x cube. Therefore plus 2x cube and minus y cube is equal to 0. X cube, here it is a minus, therefore 2x cube, 3x cube minus x cube, it is 2x cube. Y cube, here it is a minus, then it is minus y cube, is required differential equation. Is required differential equation. See carefully. एक आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टंट असला एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, दोन आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टंट असले दोनदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत काढतच इलिमिनेट झाला. ओके, सपोज वी सी द एक्झाम्पल, इट इज x plus y x plus y is equal to c. Here c is arbitrary constant. एकच arbitrary constant एकदा derivative, differentiate with respect to x, it is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट मध्ये आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टंट इलिमिनेट झाला, इट इज अ रिक्वायर्ड डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. पण आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टंट जर इलिमिनेट नाही झाला तर आर्बिट्री कॉन्स्टंटची किंमत पुन्हा ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवून द्यायची. हे लक्षात राहू द्या. नाउ वी सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. ax square plus by square is equal to 1. Now here ax square plus by square is equal to 1. A and b are the two arbitrary constant, therefore here differentiate two times. Okay, the given equation ax square plus by square is equal to 1, differentiate with respect to x. Here a as it is, derivative of x square it is a 2x, plus b as it is, derivative of y square it is a 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, derivative of 1. Now here 2 get common, therefore we can write ax plus by dy by dx is equal to 0. See carefully this. Okay, now again differentiate. With respect to x, here derivative of ax it is a, plus derivative of b into y dy. Here b is a constant, but here it is a differentiate y into dy by dx. These are both are the functions, y into dy by dx. Here we use u into v. Okay, here b as it is, u into e, first as it is, derivative of second, plus second as it is, derivative of first, is equal to 0. Here derivative of ax it is a, derivative of b into y dy by dx, b as it is, and here derivative of y into dy by dx, derivative of u into v, first as it is, derivative of second function, then second as it is, derivative of first function. Now here we differentiate two times. There are the two arbitrary constant, we differentiate two times, but there are arbitrary constant are not eliminated. So for the elimination put the value of a or b here. Here the value of a is a simple, it is equation number 1. Okay, see carefully. By equation 1, the value of a, see carefully here, ax is equal to by dy by dx. Okay, here we can write by 1, it is ax is equal to minus by dy by dx, and therefore a is equal to minus by upon x into dy by dx. Here it is a value of a, put in this equation. Okay, here it is equation number 2, put into, then we get a, it is minus by upon x dy by dx plus b into y d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to 0. See carefully. Here put the value of a by equation 1 and it's b as it is. Only here dy by dx into dy by dx whole square. Now again here bb, take b common. Therefore b into minus y by x dy by dx plus y d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to 0. Again this b we can write in this side 0 by b, it is a 0, so it is a required differential equation. Therefore minus y by x dy by dx plus y d2i by dx2 and plus dy by dx whole square, it is our required differential equation. Only here we arrange this multiplying throughout by x, therefore see carefully. Here this minus term we can write in the second form. Here first we write the second order derivative in the ascending order, descending order of the differentiation. Here we multiply by x, therefore x into y d2i by dx2. See carefully this. When we multiply by x, it is x into y d2i by dx minus y dy by dx and plus x into dy by dx whole square is equal to 0 is required differential equation. Okay, see carefully this. Here the two arbitrary constant we differentiate 2 times. Okay. Here now the next, third example, y is equal to a into cos of log x b into sin of log x. Again there are the two arbitrary constant a and b. Okay. And here such type of in the example we have already seen in our chapter differentiation, second order derivative. In that chapter the question asked is if y is equal to this and then show that. Okay, our last answer, it is a differential equation. Okay, is the show that examples in the chapter differentiation. Okay, now here the given differential equation, y is equal to a into cos of log x plus b into sin of log x. Now there are the two arbitrary constant a and b. we differentiate two times. First, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, it is a dy by dx. Now, a into cos of log x, differentiate a into cos of log x, a the constant as it is, but derivative of cos of log x, here derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x, but here it is a composite function. Derivative of cos of log x, it is a minus sin of log x and into derivative of log x, okay, plus same here b into sin of log x, derivative of sin of log x, it is a cos of log x into 1 by x, okay. Here it is a first differentiation. Now again differentiate, but before that, when again differentiate, here it is a d2i by dx2, but here it is a sin of log x into 1 by x, cos of log x into 1 by x. That means here we use the u into v, here again we use the u into v. So this 1 by x and this 1 by x take common and we can write here. Therefore we can write x into dy by dx is equal to minus a into sin of log x plus b into cos of log x. Okay, see carefully this. We take 1 by x common and x in the LHS. Okay, now here again differentiate with respect to x. Here x into dy by dx, here we use the u into v. It is a symbol than this. Here 2 times the u into v, sin of log x into 1 by x, cos of log x into 1 by x. But here we take 1 by x common and take the x in the LHS. Now u into v, first as it is, into derivative of second plus second as it is into derivative of first. And now here it is a minus a sin of log x, again differentiate the sin of log x, same here, sin of log x, derivative of sin of log x, it is cos of log x into 1 by x. 1 by x, it is a derivative of log x. Then again here cos of log x, it is a minus b into sin of log x into 1 by x. Okay, see carefully this. Derivative minus a as it is, sin of log x, it is a cos of log x into 1 by x. Here cos of log x, derivative of cos of log x, cos x, derivative of cos x, it is a minus sin x, but here x replaced by the function log x. Therefore it is a minus b, derivative of cos, minus sin of log x, and again differentiate the sin of log x. So it is log x. Now same procedure here, take 1 by x common or multiply throughout by x. Okay, any concept, multiply throughout by x, then we get it is x square d2i by dx2 plus x into dy by dx is equal to, when we multiply by x, this x get cancelled, minus a into cos of log x minus b into sin of log x. And now here see carefully, minus a cos of log x minus b sin of log x. Here a cos of log x plus b cos of log x. Here we can write minus y. Therefore x square d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y. This minus a cos of log x minus b sin of log x. A cos of log x plus b sin of log x, it is y. Therefore this term, it is a minus y. Okay, and then our last answer is x square d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, here is required differential equation. Okay, here see carefully this. Okay, in the chapter differentiation, okay, second order derivative, there is a question is asked, if y is equal to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x, then show that x square dy by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. And in this we form the differential equation. That means an equation which contains the derivative of the function. Now we see the next example. Next, the example number 4. Y square is equal to x plus c cube. Here, the given equation it is y square is equal to x plus c cube. Here it is a arbitrary constant is only one, that is the c. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. Here 2y dy by dx, it is a derivative of y square with respect to x, is equal to x plus c cube. It is a 3 into x plus c whole square. It is a derivative of x plus c cube, 3x plus c square. Now here only one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate only one times. Therefore we find the value of c from this relation and put in the original equation, that is the 1. Okay, but here we can't find the value of exact value of the c, so here we find the value of x plus c and put this. Okay. Therefore it is 2y by 3 dy by dx is equal to x plus c whole square, and therefore okay, under root of 2y upon 3 dy by dx is equal to x plus c. Okay, the value of x plus c. Put this value in equation 1. Put in 1. So we get y square is equal to under root 2y by 3 dy by dx whole cube. Okay. See carefully. Here y square and here under root 2y upon 3 dy by dx. Okay. Now to form the differential equation, here we remove this square root. To remove this square root, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Here y becomes y to the power 4, and then here it is 2y by 3 dy by dx cube. Okay, when we take the squaring on both sides, y square it is y to the power 4, and here when we take the square, this square root remove, only this cube. Now the calculation, y to the power 4 is equal to 8y cube upon 27 dy by dx cube. Okay, taking the cube of this y to the power 4 and it is y to the power 3, therefore it is a y is equal to 8 by 27. Okay, y cube get cancelled. Now here 27y is equal to 8 into 27 we can write here, and then last answer 8 into dy by dx whole cube is equal to 27y or minus 27y is equal to 0 is required differential equation. Okay, we can write it is also the last answer, it is required differential equation. Okay, see carefully this, there is only one arbitrary constant, so we differentiate only one times and put the value of arbitrary constant in the equation. That means eliminate the arbitrary constant and we get the differential equation. Okay. Now the next example. Example number 5. Y is equal to a into e to the power 5x plus b into e to the power minus 5x. Here the two arbitrary constants, therefore given equation y is equal to a into e to the power 5x plus b into e to the power minus 5x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to a into e to the power 5x, therefore it is a 5 into e to the power 5x, or we can write 5 this side. Okay, here step by step we can write. Here a is a constant, derivative of e to the power 5x, it is e to the power 5x into 5. Okay, derivative of the 5x plus b into e to the power minus 5x into minus 5. Okay, and therefore we get dy by dx is equal to 5a into e to the power 5x minus 5b into e to the power minus 5x. Again differentiate. With respect to x, therefore d2y by dx2 is equal to this 5a as it is, derivative of e to the power 5x into 5 minus 5b as it is, e to the power minus 5x into minus 5. Okay, and therefore d2y by dx2 is equal to, it is 25a into e to the power 5x, it is minus 5 plus 25 b into e to the power minus 5x. Okay, here these are the two times the differentiate. Now here we can take 25 common, therefore we get it is a d2y by dx2 is equal to 25 into a into e to the power 5x plus b into e to the power minus 5x. We take 25 common and therefore it is a 25 into this term. Here it is a y. Okay, and therefore the last answer d2y by dx2 minus 25y is equal to 0 is required differential equation. Okay, see carefully this.